southeast 130 at 7, altimeter 295. Down to 1,500.
Copies. We are the same.
Flight 3, sure you guys contact that one. Operate. And we're going to go ahead, we'll set up, we'll find a good spot, let you know when we're established.
One copy. We'll continue past the falls about a mile or two and then make a left turn to reverse course back towards Horseshoe Falls, and then we'll be making right racetrack patterns on the American side. Does that work for you?
Affirm. 2 copies.
Flight 3, we're just over the Rainbow Bridge area now. We're going to establish kind of Goat Island, American, and this is your best spot I can get to the north. And we'll be probably about 1,200 MSO. One up from the falls itself should make for a pretty cool photo. We're going to push up over Goat Island.
Left turn. 1,200 MSL. And I'll call my right turn before starting.
You guys need to be lower, you just need to be 300 ATL above the falls. So we'll send you guys to the down a bit.
On the next one.
Just let us know what looks better with 2 on the photo side or the point side.
Starting right turn. What do you want us to do different on the next one?
Get as close to the observation point from Goat Island as you can. And as well as you guys are good doing, we're going to we kind of reposition, trying to get more of the falls in the picture.
Okay, so you're staying at the same altitude and you want us to be a little bit lower and closer to the observation platform?
Climbed up a little bit, and if you guys fly a little close to the observation platform, that'll put your aircraft with the falls in the background. We're getting you guys with the grass on the Canadian side in the background.
Okay, we'll come a little bit further to the north, closer to you. Right turn.
Location, this time guys stand altitude to look ready. We just reposition, we should be able to get you kind of right as you're over the falls.
You copy. Right turn. Correction, south and transit north together as a formation.
A little bit, they look real good.
Alright, 3 for 1, we'll get a little bit more running room to the north on this last one.
Up to, if you guys could be at that mid-speed at like 60 knots ground, it'll probably help us stay in position.
It's 400 AGL.
3, if we could get one more pass, we're going to come up a little higher here and just reposition. Still not 100% happy with the shot.
3 from 1, roger, we'll be doing the same thing again.
That was the best one for sure. I think we asked a little too much on the east. So somewhere between the 2 paths that you were running, we got you a little bit too far over the observation point this time.
We're doing great on fuel. How are you looking?
Doing good, showing 15 to 400 to Buffalo.
We'll give you another one, not quite so far east, and then I'd like to join up as a flight south, and then make a south to north pass on the guys in front of us looking back at us. Okay on fuel.
We got a 17, 400 pound bingo, looks great.
Copy.
Flight to the right.
Right turn.
Right now, but those looking good. Be ahead as a lead if you guys pump up off our left side. We'll have to do it through the door, but we should be able to get a great shot of it as we kind of roll over the fall.
Roger, if you want to head south, and we'll form up south of that spire off your nose, and 1 will pick up a position back at the 4 o'clock position on 3, and if you want to just keep it below 100, we can leave the door open if that works for you.
3 is transitioning forward. With 3, where's your position?
We're just south of the river now on the Canadian side.
Okay. That's 10 minutes towards the falls. We'll keep it nice and slow.
Do you know when you're closing on?
Nice easy turn back towards the falls. We'll take it to 60 knots ground once we get through the turn.
Alright, if you guys want to just slow down a little more if you can, and let's descend as much as you're comfortable with, recognizing a 300-foot hard deck.
We're actually going to stay a little high, if we can, just to get a better shot of you guys below us.
And 2 from 1, where are you guys at, left or right?
Pedestrian.
1, slowing down. 1 to the right, 2.
5 ground.
3 from 1, we're going to be turning right here.
That's my bad, I don't think I laid that out well.
3 from 1, okay. Tower. There's a forming.
Turn it now towards the town.
And 2 from 1, we're going to pick up some speed here and get into position off of 3's right hand side.
You guys can set up off our left hand side.
Okay, we'll pick up position off your left-hand side, and then maybe we come back around for another one off your right with the door open, with you guys on the Canadian side shooting back towards us with the falls behind us.
Copy, yeah. I was trying to grab one out the left side door, just so it might be the best angle. To get the full falls, and we'll do one on the right as well.
2 from 1, do you want to cross over left side?
Are you guys ready for a turn?
We'll come.
Who's ready in the left?
3 from 1, you can start your right turn. Speed, or airspeed.
40 right now.
2 from 1, we're slowing down.
50 knots, try to hold it again. Our intention is to kind of cross over that point you guys were, maybe right over the observation deck, that we would get the falls right in the background with you guys. Flight from 3, we're going to hold this altitude. If you guys actually come down a little bit to put yourselves below us, we're going to step up just a hair, but we want to get you guys below us with the falls. Touch more Q for us, please. Slightly up, hold your altitude. Right. Counter directly over it.
Copy from 1.
We're going to reset, so we're going to kind of make that same pass. We'll just pass over, go down. The angle looks good. Great.
Just shifting further east.
We're going to, the photo plane will shift, 3 will shift further east. If you guys kind of hold what you're at off of us, that should put you guys right over the phone. We're going to keep it a little tighter here, so we'll start a slow right turn here in about 5 seconds. Alright. This is looking perfect. Our aircraft will step up just slightly as we get closer to the falls. So we go down. That's about 50 feet. Coming in. You think we got it on that one?
It's coming over to your right side from 1.
Your right side. Right here, we're going to go around the hotel over here.
It's 2 from 1 if you want.
Last pass, the photos are looking really good.
Roger. Do you want to set up south for a long run north on the west side of the river there and call that the final pass?
Who's got 14 minutes? 300 minutes. 7 minutes, 400 minutes. Right turn's coming up in 5 seconds. Right turn. Stay up above until we pass this little fire thing on the one side. Same thing, if you guys can just come down a little bit in relation to us. We'll try to get a shot with Muscle Falls. 60 ground. Working our way down a little bit. Above just a little suck. Easy right.
2905.
We picked up transponder squawk at Dolphin.
Squawk, dash 2. Flight from 1. If nobody called the FBO, we'll give them a ring on the Econ 3 here and let them know.
Sorry about that. Yes, please, if you guys could.
Let them know that the orange wave is descending upon them.
Good, landed to 1-4 and coming over. You guys want to go straight to the ramp?
1-4.
1-4, copy. It'll take left side of the runway.
1 copy.
We're just going to aim down towards the 1,000 bars and plan on ground taxiing, and we're going to